My name is Madhu and I work in the Mississauga library system. So today we are going to make ice cream in a bag, and that sounds both fun and delicious. So things you need to make the ice cream is half cup of half and half, 1 tablespoon of sugar, vanilla essence, 2 large size freezer bags, half cup of coarse salt which works best, 5 or 6 cups of ice, and some toppings which is optional. So our first step in this project is to make a bag of ice and half cup of coarse salt. So let's begin. So here I have a bag. I'm just going to pour that ice into the bag. Now here goes our salt. Seal it properly and keep it aside. Next we are going to prepare another bag with half cup of half and half, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's do. Here I have a bag and I'm going to pour Next, seal the bag properly as we did before, like this. And our next step is to place this milk bag into the ice bag. Let's place it right on top, seal it properly. Now wrap it with a tea towel and shake for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that you get your delicious ice cream. Start shaking. Now let's understand this process. The definition of melting point is the temperature at which a given solid will melt. When salt is added to the ice, it lowers the melting point of ice, just like it happens when salt is added to the roads in the winter. Ice must absorb energy to melt. It is called the heat transfer, and it is the second law of thermodynamics, whereby heat is transferred from the environment, which in this case is the ice cream mixture, to the ice. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. The function of ice here it is that it takes away the heat from the ice cream. This causes ice to melt, which allows the mixture to freeze. The freezing point of ice cream is -3 degrees Celsius. This is why we need to make it ice colder. You can always turn this experiment into an ice cream project by swapping out the milk for the heavy cream or trying different types of milk like almond milk. See what happens if you add different type of salt or modify the amount of salt you use. Or try and see what happens if you don't use salt at all. Now let's begin our shaking. Now let's see our final result. Our ice cream is ready. I'm just going to cut the bag. And pour some ice cream. Here. Okay. I also have some caramel. Some caramel on top. Wow. Very nice. And now comes the most interesting part of trying it out. And with the caramel. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching. Make sure to log into our website for details on what's coming and our 24/7 digital services, ebooks, audiobooks, and more. This video would not have been possible without all the help, support, and idea from my co-worker Kathy Franco. Thank you, Kathy, for this delicious sweet, and I really love it.